Alright, Dan, you guys go with blues here, and so it's, you know, kind of fall season here, and it's humid in this kitchen, and my friend Charlie Connell right here showed up. Look at Charlie, long sleeve shirt. Cool as
it's getting to be winter. It's starting.
I met Charlie, what, how many years ago? 8-10 years ago? When I first started doing the videos at Chaplin's Restaurant. So, hey, check out our Chaplin's page, Chaplin's Restaurant, up on YouTube. 350 videos over there, and we just got it back putting up some new content. Some of the old classic stuff, some of the old 1-hour shows that I produced, Charter Cable on Community Access, pretty neat stuff. But one day, it was fall, you know, soon after we opened, Charlie, who was pulling up to the mailbox in front of Chaplin's, he said, "Hey, I know you. I've been watching your videos." I said, "You're the one." So it was raining, kind of a blustery fall day. I said, come on in, man." Made a pot of coffee, started talking. Charlie says, "You got a lot of bare walls over here. Don't you need some artwork?" He's got a ton of old New England art, you know, beautiful seascapes, land, you know, coastal scapes and beautiful stuff, you know. And he actually worked out a little payment program with Charlie. Pay him $100 every week or two, you know, and after a while, you know, bought a painting or two from Charlie. But hey, what's the name of your website?
It's Chaz Gallery.
ChazGallery.com. Okay.
Chaz Gallery.
You want to look at some nice stuff? Charlie's got it.
I haven't updated it lately.
So, you know, while we're spreading the word here, hey, this Kang Shame sent me these beautiful knives. I tell you what, it's some of the, I've had Henckels and Ludwig Schiff. I was trying to remember the last time out of New York. I used to buy when I was working at the Fairmont. He'd come around and, you know, that was the thing, you know, when you're a new chef, you know, collect some really sharp knives. And so I had a whole collection. I had some of these big all the way down, and every tool you can imagine. I had a big heavy toolbox. And but hey, you know, this is a beautiful knife. This is German steel. They sent me another one that's got some Swedish steel. So, but what I'm going to make is some carrot and cream of carrot ginger. And I'm also going to put a little bit of some leeks in it. And so I've already peeled them. Some. I got to peel some more though. And but we're going to go first with the onion. And we're doing the French way, where we're not going to use any flour in this soup. I mean, this is so sharp. You got to be careful with this one. Really. This is a. They actually sent a little box of Band-Aids to go with this. I kind of know why. The thing with good steel is it'll hold the edge for a long time. So cut both ends. We're going to puree it, so it doesn't really matter how much we cut it. I'll just show you real quick. You want to mince an onion? See? We don't really need a mince for the soup, but I had a friend I worked with out in California. That was his specialty, finely minced. We'd have contests. There you go. This little fun there we're having. And so we'll take some butter. Butter. I like salted butter. That's what I use here. Salted butter. Ooh. We got some heat in that. Yeah. Don't fog up the camera, Glenn. Got a little brown butter action working. Always be careful with the carrots. These root vegetables, you can get hurt. It's like, You just gotta be real careful. I always go right down. Sometimes but again, so you want to say you want to fine dice them. Okay. Like the wedding soup or something. There you nice dice. Gotta have a sharp knife to do that. Get a good steel. So, okay, then got a peeler for the ginger. I used to always do it with a pair knife. Justin did some the other day with a peeler. I said, how come I never thought of that? Waste a lot with a pair knife. Speaking of which, beautiful pair knife they said too, Kangshan. So you know, we'll pair off a little bit. Don't waste too much. So used to also scrape it. You know, have a peeler, sharp knife. Same thing as peeling. Harder stuff there. We'll go back. This tool actually works better than the peeler for sure. Okay. Love the smell of fresh ginger. You could probably put that in some warm water, hot water on the back of the stove. And let that perfume your whole kitchen instead of throwing it in the garbage. So one other piece here we've already peeled. Okay. Right here. Ooh, the handle got a little warm, but down low we're good. Okay. Then you got some potatoes. I'm going to use the skin and all. These are Yukon Golds. Skin is nice and thin. This is actually what we're going to use to thicken the soup. I know this is a good knife. It'll hold its edge for a long time. Okay, then we've got a leek. I'm gonna cut it over here. It's got a little bit of sand in it. So we're gonna go over right here and rinse it off. Real good. I love leeks. I mean, if you get some at a grocery store, you can do so much with them. But you gotta make sure you rinse off the see? The top part from here on up, it gets the sand. It grows up through the sand. The root, it really doesn't have, it's all sealed up. You don't really have any grit. I go down. Okay. That's my soup du jour for tomorrow night. How about that? So we're gonna crank this heat. I like to let this, before we're gonna add some chicken stock to it after, but I like to really let this cook down and let that natural root vegetables, you know, caramelize. And I'm actually gonna use a little bit more carrot. But I just wanted to show you that. See? I like these kind of newfangled peelers. I asked for jumbos, though they sent me this here. We used to get fancy, go woo. Show off. Vegetable prep show off. One more time. Press your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Get it done. All right. So just let this cook a little bit more. I'm going to finish dicing this up. Add it in here. Continue to caramelize this a little bit. See here, Glenn, how beautiful it's starting to look. And add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then basically is when we add everything else, add that chicken stock, bring it up to simmer, everything's soft, puree it, and you can add cream or not add cream. So we'll be right back. Got a few more carrots we're adding in. A few more carrots. Because after all it is cream of carrot and ginger. So we want to have that nice, oh look, little renegade. This guy tried to get away. Okay, we're gonna just let this go a little bit more. Cook all that new veg, the raw veg we put in, about another minute or two. Get our chicken stock hot, and we'll be right back. All right, here I covered it up just a little bit, just to concentrate some of that heat. Take a look. We got a nice little caramelization going. Got some nice chicken stock right over the top. So we're going to just taste it here, and oh man, delicious flavor. So we'll put this on the back burner. And just when it comes up to the simmer, till all those veggies are nice and cooked, we'll be back. All right, let's finish off our soup, our carrot, ginger, cream of carrot and ginger. We put a little bit of, and that's French style. You know, it's no roux, so it's you know, I guess, you know, keto, maybe you could use potato, but probably not. Carrots, probably not. So we're not going to call it keto, but it's low carb. I mean, low carb anyway. So everybody should have one of these. Hamilton Beach hand mixer. And so beautiful. You know, the color, look at the color, Glenn. Spitting on us. So we have plenty of flavor. I know we got plenty of flavor. I tasted it. So we're just gonna add just a little bit. If we have had more chicken stock, I'd put it in. But trust me, this will have. This is beautiful for Thanksgiving, Christmas. Look at that color. So I'm going to give it a 10. Let's see. We get it on the spoon, nice and thick. No flour. No flour at all. Just a little bit more salt and pepper. And like I said, you want to add cream? What do you think, B? You want to try it?
Yeah, right over there.
You can add a little nutmeg to it if you wanted. Ben, you want to try it?
Oh, yeah, man.
Grab a spoon. Look at this. So pretty. I'm not even going to put any. Not even put any green onions. Here you go, Ben. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot.
Oh man, this is good.
That's cream of carrot and ginger. And that's just fresh. You're going to set up. You know, that's going to be our soup for tomorrow night. And that flavor, you know, somehow that flavor deepens.
I know it's gonna be hot, that's why I'm only doing a little bit.
And when it cools down, it's even more flavorful.
Oh wow. That ginger.
The ginger comes right through.
It really does. That's really
Charles, Sir Charles, just finished off that pork Normand. You still have room,
That
Charlie?
didn't take any time at all.
One more for the road.
That's wasted.
Take it, Charlie.
Just
Waste not, want not. That's what Mom always taught us. Glenn Peltier on camera, Dad Jack's going with the blues. Ben jamming in the house. Resident DJ. Anybody need a DJ for an event up here at V-Travel all through New England?
I am.
Right? Where else?
Hopefully Europe at some point. That's my next.
We'll put you on a plane if we had to, right?
Yeah, no,
We got a good enough gig.
Yeah, we'll bring the
The money's right.
Oh yeah.
I might even come and bring a grill and do a little catering job. Who knows, right? Charlie will drive us.
No problem. Really.
Glenn, ride shotgun.
yeah,
All right.
I'll get you that.
Dad Jack's going with the blues. Peace.